Exposing the secrets in social media marketing, or what's something people don't know about social media marketing. It's more than just tweets and likes. Picture this. Emma just launched a quirky, eco-friendly sneaker brand. With zero advertising dollars, she turns to Instagram. Fast forward 6 months and bam! She's the talk of the town, all thanks to a few well-aimed posts and some viral hashtags. Now let's break it down. Social media marketing isn't just throwing content at your followers. It's about crafting stories that resonate, engaging with your audience like they're your brunch buddies. And yes, timing your posts when the world is scrolling. And the future? It's looking #bright. With platforms evolving every day, imagine selling directly through video streams. Or better yet, getting your product trending through virtual reality setups. The possibilities? Endless. So whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned business maven, harnessing the power of social media could be your ticket to the next business boom. Don't just chase the trends, set them. To gain such valuable insights, join our upcoming Digital Marketing, Advertising and Technology Confex on 17 and the 18th of October 2024 in Dubai, UAE.